I am presenting the chapter number 4 of 10th class. The name is quadratic equation. What is the meaning of quadratic equation? So we can see here what is the meaning of quadratic equation. So standard form of quadratic equation is here. You can see the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You can see here a comma b and c are real numbers. They are real numbers. That means you can take the negative number, positive number, and also you can take the root number, rational number 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4. So you can take the value, choose a, b, c. But a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0 and x is variable. X is a variable, that means you can change the value. So in this chapter we can learn and how to manage the equations of the quadratic form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here we start the chapter exercise number 4.1. 4.1, that is the first question is here. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. हमें यह पता करना है कि ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है या नहीं है. अभी तक हमने समझा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का मीन्स क्या है कि हाईएस्ट पावर 2. इफ यू हैव द हाईएस्ट पावर इज 2, दैट इज मीन्स द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. यू कैन सी हियर ax square is here in this form, the equation form ax square is a compulsion. So any variable have the power is 2, definitely that one quadratic form. So we have to check in first question how to solve. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. You know where x plus 1. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it is a value. Value of a is x, value of b is 1. So now you can write here x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to multiply by 2. 2 into x is 2x, so 2 3 is 6. And for your knowledge, don't write in examination form. And first of all, x plus 1, that means you have to apply a formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab and plus b square. Okay friends, so by the help of this formula we can open this bracket. X square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. The first of all, the all value we will move in left hand side. So x square as it is, 2x also as it is, and 2x move from this side from right to left. So that is sign is positive sign. So you have convert to negative sign. Negative, that means minus 2x plus 1 as it is, and minus 6 is converted to the positive 6 is equal to 0. So now you can see 2x and 2x. 2x is positive and second is negative. So you have to cancel out both one. And here it is the x square, and 1 plus 6 is 7 is equal to 0. So we can see in this form, here it is the power is 2. So that is mean this is the quadratic equation. Clearly we can say x square plus 7 is the quadratic equation. What is the question? We know. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. So I'm लिखेंगे yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay friend, so in this question you have the another one. You can see next example here. So what is the next one? X square plus 3x plus 1 x minus 2 whole square. Similarly, the first left hand side as it is you can write x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So what will we apply next formula? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. By the help of this formula, you have to write a square, so x square minus 2ab, 2 as it is, value of a is x, value of b is 2, and plus b square, that means 2 square. Now another x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square. 2 2 4 minus 4x, and plus 2 to the 4 also. And this value you have to move in left hand side. So x square as it is, and this number is positive sign, so convert into the negative. X square plus 3x as it is, and minus 4x convert into the positive sign, that will be 4x. Plus 1 as it is 1, and the next number minus 4 is equal to 0. Here it is nothing. So x square is positive one number and second number is negative, so you have to cancel out. The next 3 plus 4 is 7x, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Big number is negative, so minus 3 is equal to 0. So now you can see this is the highest power is 1, and we are talking about the quadratic equation, so this is not a quadratic form. So you can write no, it is not quadratic equation. Okay friends, so we learn what is the meaning quadratic form, and also we find out there are two examples. The first one is example is yes, it is the quadratic form. The second is not quadratic form. Reason is there, here it is the x square form, so this is the quadratic form, and but there is no x to the power 2, so that's why this is not a quadratic equation. Next question friends, here next question we have to find represent in form of quadratic equation. This is the word problem. You have to express this form in quadratic equation. Here it is written, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. We need to find, हमें उनके इंटीजर्स को निकालने की आवश्यकता है, पर हमको अभी सिर्फ इतना ही शो करना है कि ये क्या क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है या नहीं. So first of all, and we have to understand the two consecutive number. What is the meaning of consecutive number? Consecutive number, that means continuously. That means suppose I will choose the one number is 5. 5 after 6. How to come? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 is add. So consecutive number. So let the first consecutive number be x and second consecutive number be x plus 1. Okay. So now you can see solution is here. Let the first consecutive number is bx, okay, and second number automatically x plus 1, second consecutive number, okay, x plus 1. Here it is, you can see the product of the two consecutive, product that means multiply. So you can write the form first number multiply by second number. Second number is x plus 1. The result is 306. First of all, you have to solve x multiply by x, so you will get x square. The next x into 1, x 1 ja equal to 306. 306 is transfer in this side, left hand side. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So we have presenting the in quadratic form. हम इसको quadratic form में present कर चुके हैं. कैसे? x square plus x minus 306. यदि क्वेश्चंस के अंदर यदि आए, यहाँ पे लिखा we need to find the integers. We need to, हमें फाइंड करने इंटीजर की आवश्यकता है. यदि आप एग्जाम में आए कि फाइंड द इंटीजर्स, तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू सॉल्व द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो दिस वन इज कंप्लीटेड हियर. सो यू कैन राइट आल्सो it is our required solution. Okay friends, and we have to start the next exercise 4.2. 4.2, and what is the requirements? You can see the question is find the roots. We have to find the roots. Here it is, the power is 2, so definitely there are only 2 roots, and 2 roots, so we have to find the value of x. There are 2 values, we will get 2 values. Which method we will apply? Here it is the middle term splitting method. Middle term splitting method. What is the middle term splitting method? You can see in this solution. Here now. So first number, there are three terms. First term multiply by last term. And what will be the product? And then after you have to, the middle number, you have to break in which conditions that we will get the multiply then 10, but after subtracting we will get the -3. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि हम पहले नंबर को पहला और आखिरी जो टर्म है उन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और बीच वाले जो टर्म्स है उस टर्म को लिए हम क्या करना है, हमको इस तरीके से उसको ब्रेक करना है कि मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमको रिजल्ट क्या मिले, -10 मिले और सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर क्या मिले हमको -3। तो हम कैसे इसको ब्रेक करेंगे, देखिए 10, तो आपको पता करना है कि 10 किस टेबल में आता है। 10 आता है 2 5 जा 10 और 5 - 2 is 3। ओके, बट हमको नेगेटिव नंबर फाइंड करना है, तो नेगेटिव क्या करेंगे हम, 5 - 2 की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे 2 - 5। सो बिग नंबर कौन सा हो गया आपका, -5 हो गया, तो दैट मीन्स क्या जाएगा -3 मिल जाएगा। तो लुक एट दिस वन, नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज हियर x स्क्वायर -5x + 2x - 10 = 0। ओके, so you can see 5 to the 10 plus minus, so -10, and 5 - 2 is 3 -3x. Next step, x common, x - 5 plus 2 common, x 2 5 is 10, x - 5 also equal to 0. X - 5, this one as it is here, x - 5, and then next x - 5 is common, so next step x plus 2 equal to 0. So there are two terms, so okay, x - 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 5 and x equal to -2. So there are two roots, you have to find the 5 and -2, the roots of the roots, that means the solution of this equation. इसके दो आंसर होंगे x की, एक वैल्यू हो सकती है 5 और दूसरी क्या होगी -2। अनदर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी, यदि आपको फॉर्मेट में आता है, रूट में आता है, तब भी कोई घबराने की बात नहीं। मेथड वही सिंपल है कि फर्स्ट टर्म मल्टीप्लाई बाय लास्ट टर्म एंड दैट द प्रोडक्ट यू हैव टू स्प्लिट द मिडिल टर्म। सो हाउ टू गेट रूट टू, so root 2 is 2, 2 5 is 10. How to get the 2 5 is 10? So 2 5 is 10. 2 5 is 10 means 2 plus 5 is 7. So that is the result is 7. Look at this one. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. First of all, we write the question. Next step, root 2x square. How to write? 5 2 is 10. Okay. So 2x plus 5x. And 5 root 2. First term and last term as it is, root 2x square and 5 root 2 as it is. The middle term splitting method, split means तोड़ना, break करना, हमने उसको तोड़ दिया। 5 2 is 10. How to will get 10? Root 2 into root 2, 2, 2 5 is 10. Next step, common. So here it is 2. So 2 को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, 2 means root 2 into root 2. So root 2 common, root 2x common. So here it is only common number is x plus as it is 2 में से हमने root 2 common लिया तो एक root 2 आपके पास बचेगा, single root 2, तो root 2 as it is plus 5 common लिया 5, so x plus root 2. You can see the both brackets are same, so you have to take common, x plus root 2 and root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now x plus root 2 equal to 0 and root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So next step, x equal to minus root 2, because this side is left hand side and root 2 is positive and positive convert into the to richest side negative sign. So x equal to minus root 2. The another one, root 2x is equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 5 upon root 2. So there are two solutions you will get. So first answer is, you have got the answer minus root 2 and minus 5 upon root 2. This is the solution of your equation.